Hello, in today's video we're going to show you how to turn your website into an e-commerce store. So here we are on the Rocket Web Builder template page where you can select any template you want. Typically you're going to see this page right after you pay for the software and you get access to it, or if you're choosing to create a new website. So we'll show you that you could do this with any template. It really doesn't matter. Templates are just, well, they're templates. They're just essentially the foundation to the beginning of your website. You can edit them, you can go with a blank template, you could really select anything you want. So we're going to do this twice just to show you how to set it up. The first time we're going to go ahead and select one of the templates that already has a store within it. So we're going to be selecting this supplement store, and let's just call this supplements, or maybe let's say you don't even want to sell supplements. Let's say you want to sell ebooks, but you like the way that the store is set up. You can, or the website is set up rather, the template. So you could just call this ebooks, hit submit, and now your website name is called ebooks. Now that's just information for you to remember when you create your website. So if you want to be able to access the store, it's actually really simple. Just click on this store button right here. Now you can see here we have this welcome dashboard that kind of shows you exactly what to do when you're creating your first store. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create a product, connect a payment processor, add your store details, and of course this is optional along with your shipping method. Both of these are optional, but you will need to create a product and you will need to add a payment processor to get things going. So I'll just show you kind of how this works. So you go over here and you create a product. Select create, and you can see here you have the place to enter your title, your description, your price, if it's on sale or not, or if you want to charge a subscription-based price. And in order to charge a subscription-based price, you will need the community store plan with Rocket Web Builder. You can track your inventory. You can do pretty much anything. Add variation. So let's say you have a shirt. You can go over here, edit variations, and create the first variation. So maybe the first variation is the size, right? And so we hit add, and now we have different variations such as small, or medium, or large, or extra large, for example. And once we're finished with that, we just back click here, save our progress. In order to save, we would have to add a product name, so I'll just call this t-shirt. And when we want to add images, we just simply go over here and hit add images, and we just drag and drop them within. So that's the first way to add products to your store. Once you finish adding products to your store, you're going to, and you can see here we already have some products, and we could actually take a second to just show you how this looks. But once you finish adding your products, go over here back to your dashboard, or you can head over to your settings button, either way, and you click on this payments button. So if you're going to go on dashboard, you click connect to payment processor, or you go to settings and then payments. Add a payment provider, and you can see here we have a bunch of different payment providers. We have Stripe, Braintree, 2Checkout, PayPal, Afterpay, MobilePay, PayU, PayStack, Authorize.net, PayFast, Klarna, TwistPay, Molly, Barclaycard. You can even have an on-delivery option and a bank transfer option. So go ahead and add that, and let's go ahead and take a look at the layout and styling. So we can actually choose how to style our product pages. So you can have a simple product page like this. Go to settings, select the different styles. So if you want something like this instead, and you could change different things like colors and things like that. You could even change how the product is viewed. So let's say you want large images here, followed by the description on the bottom, and that will look just like this. So we can, for example, click on this product. It will look like this with the text on the bottom, right? Or the description, rather. I personally prefer this one in the middle. I think it looks a little more classy. And once again, we can edit different things and, edit different things that you can play with and fix. So let's say you want to have this, let's go with something a little more opaque, but let's say you want to have this diagonal bar here for the back of your descriptions, which I just think is a nice little cool addition. So we can go ahead and preview, click on this product. You can see here the images here along with the description, and it just gives a different vibe to your store. Now, for your store, you just click on your products button. You have your whole store list here. Some people would call this product page list or product grid. To view this, you can go to your store, hit layout and styling, and edit any component of the store. So you have the product page, which we just edited. You have the product layout listings, so the product grid. You have the checkout page that you can edit, the cart page, and the cart view page or quick view page. And you can edit all these. You just click on Style Now, and remember to get here, you click at this Layout and Styling button. Whenever you want to preview, just go over here and hit Preview, and you can view the functions of the store. So let's say I want to view this product. I want to add it to my cart. I have this checkout button. I'm at the checkout page, proceed to checkout, and now I'm here ready to check out. So any really way you want to set this up, it's very functional, very easy to do. So this is if you created a template that already has a store. Well, what if it doesn't have a store? Well, let's go ahead and create a new website, and let's show you how to do that. So create a new website here. And once again, we're back at this page. We'll just go ahead and scroll all the way down to the blank section. Let's hit select. Let's call this blank site. And let's go ahead and create a new store from scratch. So this way is just very simple as well. Don't worry, nothing is affected. Just because it doesn't have content in the template doesn't mean you can't create a store. So just go over here to store. It will say store is currently disabled. Do you want to activate now? You click yes. And it's just that simple. So now you have the functions of the store the same way you did before. If you go over here to preview store, there currently are no products. So you would have to actually add products to see them the same way that we just showed you before. But other than that, it's the exact same concept. So that's how you add a store to your website.